First you want to find a smooth surface without any bumps or cracks that you could fall on. Then, to make it easier, find a slight incline, but this is not necessary. Find out what foot you like first, either your left first or your right. Then find something to hold on to. Your front foot should be placed in between that point and that point, and your back foot should be placed in the center of the traction pad. Then you're going to get up on your board and push off. Once you get the hang of that, to get on your board, you push with your front foot and then get on with your other foot. To turn, you put your back foot the opposite way of your front foot, and whatever way your front foot is pointing down to, it'll turn that way. Then you can practice and do these little wiggle movements, and this will help you keep going forward. And then all you need to do is practice. You will not get this on the first day, but once you do, it will be a lot of fun.